Hi, I'm Liam. I'm going to run you through the code for the Nerf turret. To start coding the turret, what you need to do is you need to go to the BBC MakeCode website, microbit create code. Then from here you'll see a tab which says Let's Code. Click on that. From here, there's a scroll down till you see a MakeCode editor, and then Let's Code. Then click on New Project. From here, what you'll see is two blocks. You'll see an on start and a forever. We won't be needing the forever block, so just drag this until you see a bin icon and then just select it. From here, we need to set a group for both microbits to stay on, so they're both in the same group channel. From here, you can go to radio, and then radio set group. Here, change the value to 0. Now we need to add an input command, so on shake, and then you can change this to tilt right. Now if you go to radio, you'll see a radio send number. Drag that into your tilt right and change the value to 1. From here we need something to receive all these channel numbers what are being sent out. To do this, go to radio, and then on radio receive number. Now we need to create an if statement. To do this, go to logic, and then there's an if true statement here. Drag this into the on radio receive. Now we need to make a if received number equals block. To do this, drag this 0 equals 0 block here from the logic. Drag that in over the true. Now from here, grab your received number from the variables tab, and then change this value to 1 as this send number equals 1. Now, as we're tilting right, and this is going to move the robot arm base clockwise, so it will move the gun to its right. I want to show that the microbit is doing this by putting an arrow pointing right. Now that's done, we need to activate the pin in the robot arm so the motor will move clockwise. To do this, go into advanced and then down to pins, and then digital right pin, and then put this in and change the value to pin 15 and 1. Now we need to add a pause in. What this would do is it'll rotate the arm for however long you want. I find 500 works best for me, 500 milliseconds. And now you can duplicate the digital right pin and put it underneath, and then change the value to 0 so it will stop rotating after 500 milliseconds. From here, we don't have to make many things anymore, many statements. What I can do now is I can duplicate the on tilt right, drag it down, give it some space, and then change it to tilt left, and then change this number here to 2. If it was the same as this, it'd send it to that and then it would turn right. But as it's tilt left, you want it to turn left. Now you can click this, duplicate, and then drag it underneath. Now as this number here is 2, we want this to be 2 as well. Now as it's tilting left, and it will be rotating anti-clockwise, or the gun will be turning left, you can change the arrow so it shows it turning left. As so. And now we need to change the pin number, as we want the motor to reverse, so it's going the opposite way of when turning right. To do this, you go to pin 16 and change these values, and now this will turn the gun left or anti-clockwise if the microbit is tilted left. Now we need to add the shooting mechanism. To do this, you go to input on button A pressed, and go to radio, and then radio send number. Keep this to 0, and then now as before, you can duplicate this, change that to 0, and then as we won't need the arrows anymore, what we can do is we can drag this to the left, get rid of it, and we can drag this in. Now if we duplicate that and duplicate that, we can say, so if you have pin 13 here, pin 14, pin 13, pin 14, and change that value to 0 and that value to 0. What this does is when button A is pressed, it'll activate pin 13, which is what the motor uses to fire the bullets out of the gun. And then if we change the millisecond delay to 2500, it'll keep shooting for 2.5 seconds. The longer your delay is, the longer it'll shoot for. Now we wanted a single shot mode, so when you press button B, it'll shoot one bullet. To do this, just duplicate that on button A press, change the button A to button B, and then change your radio send number to 3. From here, what you can do is, you can duplicate the if received number equals 0, and you can put that underneath. From here, we don't really need to change a lot of commands as we already have them. So what you need to do is change this to 500, change this value to 1, duplicate the pause, and then now when button B is pressed, and that is free, when button B is pressed, it'll fire one bullet, then the spring will come back because pin 14 is active, and then now it'll stop both of the motors, so it won't move at all. And now that's finished. Don't forget to save it as a name that you'll remember. So code for turret, and then flash it onto both of your microbits, otherwise it won't work. And then finish. And then now when this is finished, you'll have another screen that will pop up with your microbit. As it finishes. Here we go. Once this is on, you know it's done. And now if you plug it into your gun, it'll work.